Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining me and the sidekicks for today's video. Can you say hi? Hi and welcome. Wyatt's got the silliest face. He's always got that what's going on look to him, doesn't he? Wyatt's excited because it's starting to get really cold outside and Wyatt loves the snow. So we've got a little bit of snow this morning and then it turned to rain. But it's kind of chilly today. I'm not sure what it's going to do, but it was calling for snow today. Zena's here. Zena does not like to put her pretty little feet in the snow at all. So as soon as it gets cold, she wants to not go outside at all, which is also problematic. That's a problem, isn't it, Zena? Yeah. So she has to go outside and she doesn't like it. All right. So what is today's video about? Today's video is a Rocksbox unboxing. So my latest Rocksbox came. And I did get to preview it, but for some reason I could not remember what is inside this box. So this is going to be just as much a surprise for me as it is for you. Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription, $21 a month, and it gets charged at the same time every month. And if you keep an item, you can apply it. That $21 does get applied to anything that you decide to keep. If you do not use that $21 within that month's time frame, you do lose it. So you do want to apply it to an item during the month. If you get a set that you do not like, you can quickly turn it around and get another set that month. You don't have to keep it for a month. But if you like something and you want to continue to wear it, by all means you could keep it, or you can just keep that set for as long as you like. So there's no time limit in how quickly you have to turn things around. It's completely up to you. All right, so inside, you keep everything because if you want to return anything, you put it right back inside this pretty box that it came in and right back in the bag I just opened up. But everything comes inside this nice little box. I just untied it. I think Zena actually snipped it and helped me untie it here. And right inside the box, you get a little pamphlet that tells you all about your jewelry. And then you get a little care card that tells you how to take care of your jewelry. And then you get a little bundle. Everything comes inside a jewelry pouch, and then you also get a label to return everything you put right back on the outside of that white bag. All right, so first item I see is Kendra Scott. Oh, and it's a necklace. Let's see what this is. See if I can open this. Get this out. Oh, look how pretty this is. This is a really pretty light blue color necklace. Look how pretty that is. Love that. That is pretty. Love the color. That would go with a lot. I feel like it would pick up, due to the stone, it would probably pick up a lot of different colors based on what you're wearing. Look really pretty with whites, blues, purples. That's really pretty. Okay, I really like that one. That one I might end up having to keep. Very pretty. So let's see what it says about that. And it went on super easy. I love when the clasps are super easy. I have, with my fingernails, I do the acrylic nails. It can be sometimes a challenge for me with some of the clasps. So I'll buy the Amazon metallic clasps. And then you just hook them on. And then every time you want to put them on, the easy metallic clasps work really well. But this, I wouldn't need it. So this worked really well. So this is the Kendra Scott Ever necklace in silver and sky blue illusion. So the member price is $60 and the retail price is also $60. There's no discount there. But I think this is really pretty. So this might be how I spend my $21 this month. I really like that. Very pretty. You do fill out a profile with Rocksbox. You do get a stylist. You can create a wish list as well, and you'll get items almost every time off of your wish list. And then as soon as you sign up or as soon as you return a box, they immediately curate, your stylist will immediately curate a new set for you. It happens pretty instantaneously, like within a day. And then you have 24 hours to preview your set. If you don't necessarily want a piece or all three, you don't like them, you can swap them out for other pieces. So it is nice because you tend to get pieces that you really do like or want to try. I like it sometimes for items that I just want to try. There are things I'm not sure that I really would want to buy yet. Things that are different, fun, trendy. I want to see if I want to try them before I want to buy them. All right, next up. Earrings. Oh, these are pretty. I do remember these now. Check those out. I love the little funky edges around these. Gives it a little bit of a funky vibe. And these are by Ava Rose. So these are the Ava Rose Marfa drop in silver. And the retail price of these are $50 and the member price is $42. If you buy all three, you do get a $10 discount, and you do not have to buy all three in 1 month. So for instance, let's say I loved all three of these items. I could purchase one item this month and use my $21, and then wait till next month when my $21 posts and buy the second item, and then wait till the third month when my $21 posts and buy the third item, and I would get that $10 discount. So they do know that you bought all three in the set. And this is a jewelry rental, so they do know that some of these, you know, these earrings could have been returned. They do sanitize all jewelry that is returned. I know that can be a concern. So here's what these earrings look like. These are pretty. What do you guys think of these? I like those. I'm really loving this. But I do like the earrings too. I believe my last item is another pair of earrings. So I'm going to show you these really well. Because I'll have to take them off. These are pretty though. Very cute. All right, next item. And they have rings, necklaces, bracelets, obviously earrings, lots of jewelry. Oh, these are really pretty. So these are Sophie Harper, and they're called the Sophie Harper Double Bar and Circle Drops. The retail price is $75, and these are, the member price is $63. I really like these. What do you guys think of these? So I love the little bit of sparkly design here on the bars themselves, so both at the top and at the bottom. And I like the circle in the middle. Those are pretty. Very pretty. All right, let's swap these out. That's really pretty. They're very lightweight. They feel really nice on. I really like those. Oh, I really like those. Okay, I'm taking this off. So this one had the little hook. I like how these, you know, these just have the nice little rings that they dangle and aren't solid one piece. They move. They have lots of movement to them. These are very cute. All right, that's all three pieces. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite? I think my favorite is this necklace. I really, really like this. I think these might be my second favorite. And I do like the other earrings as well. I like the movement in these. Very pretty, but I like these earrings as well. All right, so tell me what your favorite is, because these were fun. These were very, very fun picks. So if I were to keep all three, it's $165 for all three. If I bought them all in 1 month, which I wouldn't do, it would be $21. I would spread it out so I could use my $21 a month rental fee. And then obviously you would get the $10 off if you kept all three. So I liked these. These are all fun picks. I'd have to decide. I definitely think I might keep this necklace. I really like it. I like the color. I also like I like where it sits on my neck. I think that's a really good place. It'll go with most tops. I think it's pretty. And I'm really liking these. Okay, so you tell me which pieces you really liked. I love to read your comments. That's my very favorite part of doing these videos. I love to know what you guys think. But I love this subscription. I love trying out these new things. I think in my last box, I didn't keep anything. I sent them all back so I could get a new box and see what I wanted to spend my $21 on. So I don't think I kept anything. I liked one pair of earrings, but the post on them wasn't really a great quality or wasn't working well for me. And I ended up sending them back, but I loved the earrings. So anyway, I will put my referral link down below for Rocksbox. If you use my link, then the first box is the $21 fee is waived. So I will put that down below. I'll also list all of these items down below just in case you want to add them to your wish list and request them for your next box. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I would love it if you hit that like button. I'd love it if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button and show some support. If you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.